Hey guys, this is Patrick for Pop Life, and today we're going to experience something really unique and refreshing. It is ecotherapy dining at the Farmer's Table in Tagaytay.
You'll see more of that later.
Ecotherapy or nature therapy involves engaging with nature to improve mental and physical well-being through activities tulad ng nature walks, gardening, outdoor yoga, at marami pang iba. It leverages the benefits of natural environments to reduce stress, anxiety, at depression. Sa fusion ng ecotherapy at dining, eating outdoors habang surrounded by nature ay nakakatulong sa relaxation at digestion. Sa farm-to-table restaurant concept naman, the restaurant uses fresh and locally sourced food, and this approach connects diners directly to their food source while helping the local community. Tara, check natin yung food. Una sa lahat, we tried their best seller, Hot House crispy cauliflower and broccoli in spicy buffalo sauce with blue cheese dip. Ang sarap, crunchy at perfect ang spice. Next up, ang giant pork belly lechon kawali. Grabe, sobrang linamnam niya at malaki ang serving. Talagang mouth-watering. Syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang bone marrow bulalo soup. Comfort food at its best. Sinubukan din namin ang kalderetang oso buko. It's a tender meat na nagme-melt sa bibig. Perfect na perfect to sa white rice. Finally, we tried their famous ube champurrado topped with fresh danggit and coconut tres leches. Ang unique ng twist nila dito, guys. Sweet and savory in one bite. Perfect dalhin ng pamilya dito para matry ang holistic approach ng farm-to-table ecotherapy dining concept. Farmer's Table is located at Nurture Wellness Village, 7310, Pulong Sagingan, Mayting 2nd West, Tagaytay City. Open sila every day from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. So that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me today. Again, this is Patrick for Pop Life, reminding everyone that life is about doing good and being happy. Ciao!